Hey everyone, welcome back to Futuristic Rides. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and bold moves from Ferrari in recent years, the upcoming 2026 Ferrari Purosangue. As Ferrari continues to evolve and adapt to the demands of modern driving, while staying true to its racing soul, the Purosangue stands as a perfect example of how performance and practicality can coexist in stunning harmony. At first glance, the 2026 Ferrari Purosangue maintains its unmistakable Ferrari DNA. It's sleek, sculpted, and aggressive, exactly what you'd expect from a brand that's built its legacy on aerodynamic mastery and visual drama. The front end sports a sharper, more futuristic grille paired with thinner, more angular LED headlights that enhance its commanding road presence. Ferrari has fine-tuned the proportions for this new model, with a longer hood and a slightly revised rear profile, giving the Purosangue a more athletic stance while keeping the silhouette unmistakably SUV yet undeniably Ferrari. The body lines are clean, yet expressive, flowing from the fenders to the tail with elegance and purpose, helped along by lightweight carbon fiber elements integrated throughout. Under the hood, the 2026 Purosangue continues to deliver what Ferrari does: best jaw-dropping performance. Powering this beast is a revised version of Ferrari's 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V2 engine, now tuned to produce over 740 horsepower. That's right, no turbochargers, no hybrid systems, just pure old school V2 magic, with an upgraded 8-speed dual clutch transmission and an advanced all-wheel drive system. The Purosangue rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.3 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs in the world. Ferrari's engineers have also refined the active suspension system, ensuring sharper cornering and better ride comfort even at high speeds. Whether you're cruising through the city or tearing up a mountain pass, this SUV performs like a thoroughbred. Inside, the 2026 Purosangue embraces a luxurious and tech-forward interior that feels as exclusive as any Ferrari coupe. The cabin is a blend of carbon fiber, leather, and aluminum, with attention to detail at every turn. Ferrari has updated the digital displays for both the driver and front passenger, offering a clean and customizable interface. The steering wheel is packed with controls but still keeps that sporty, race-inspired design. Rear seat passengers are treated to individual bucket seats with ample legroom, high-end materials, and even optional massage functions, a rare level of comfort in a performance SUV. The panoramic electrochromic glass roof can shift from transparent to tinted with a touch, adding a futuristic vibe to the cabin while keeping things bright and airy. One of the most unique features in the 2026 Purosangue is the integration of Ferrari's latest AI-driven driving assistance system. It adapts in real time to road conditions and driving style, subtly optimizing suspension settings, steering feedback, and throttle response without interfering with the pure driving feel. It's Ferrari's way of blending innovation with tradition. Add to that the improved aerodynamics, hidden door handles, and even a custom Ferrari sound system developed in-house, and you've got a package that's both wild and refined. Thanks for watching.